Welcome to our Motherboard Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM. Both motherboards are designed for different CPU architectures, with the B550-PLUS catering to AMD's Ryzen processors and the B760M-A-CSM supporting Intel's latest offerings. We'll explore their key features, performance metrics, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS supports AMD's Ryzen 5000 series, offering excellent performance for gaming and productivity tasks. With PCIe 4.0 support, it ensures high-speed data transfer for modern GPUs and NVMe SSDs. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM leverages Intel's latest LGA 1700 socket and supports DDR5 memory, providing superior speed and bandwidth for demanding applications. Both motherboards are designed to deliver reliable performance, but the B760M-A-CSM edges ahead with its next-gen capabilities. When it comes to connectivity, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers a solid selection with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.2, along with USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. However, the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM takes it a step further with integrated 2.5 gigabits LAN, which significantly enhances network speeds for data-intensive tasks. Additionally, it features multiple USB ports, including Type-C, ensuring modern connectivity for peripherals and devices. The B760M-A-CSM is clearly designed for users who demand more from their motherboard. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is a full ATX motherboard, providing ample space for expansion slots and cooling solutions, making it ideal for high-performance builds. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM is a micro ATX motherboard, which is perfect for compact builds where space is a premium. While the B550-PLUS offers more expansion options, the B760M-A-CSM's compact design is advantageous for users looking to build smaller systems without sacrificing performance. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you prioritize value and a full ATX experience, the B550-PLUS is a fantastic choice. However, if you're looking for the latest technology with DDR5 support and enhanced connectivity, the B760M-A-CSM is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.